Hi y'all folks, this is Max from TransformerPrimeRoot.com. Today we're going to install the newest version of ClockworkMod Recovery. Why we're going to install this new version, and also this is just a guide on how to install it. This will install the latest version of ClockworkMod Recovery. I found that some of the newer ROMs, like the AOKP ROM, you'll need to be on the latest version of ClockworkMod Recovery if you'll end up in a boot loop. If you end up in a boot loop, you can follow this video and you can still update it while you're still in a boot loop. So to do this, just hold down, volume down and the power button at any time. This is by my AOKP ROM, by the way. Hold it down and wait until you see the letters on top here. And then here you're going to press volume down, and you'll get this menu. Hit volume down and select the USB thingy there and hit the volume up. I didn't do it fast enough, so let me show it to you again. Hold down the volume down and the power button until it resets, and then it shows you the three lines of letters at the top. Let go and hit the volume down, and then hit the volume down again and hit the volume up right away. And it'll say fast boot USB download mode there. Alright, and then we're going to connect our cable to the computer. Next, you'll download Transformer Prime and Recovery new.zip, and you'll find a bunch of files, fastboot for Linux and Mac. Basically, we're going to flash this recovery, the new ClockworkMod Recovery. So open up a command prompt, and for Windows, you'll have to have drivers installed. If you don't know how, I have a driver install instructions over at TransformerPrimeRoot.com. Open up a command prompt. If you don't know how, Google it. It's not that hard. And then browse to the directory where you copied it to. So for me, it's going to be cd /Transformer Prime Recovery New, like that. That's actually not a W, it's a /. Korean font makes / into a symbol that looks like a W, which is a currency symbol. That's what they use. But it's the opposite / of that one. So once you're here, we're going to type fastboot -I space 0x small x 0B05 space flash space recovery dash clockwork dash 5.8.2.0 dash tf201.img and hit enter. And for Mac or Linux, you just have to change the command fastboot to /fastboot -Mac and also fastboot -Linux instead. I'll have instructions over at my site. Hit enter, and this will flash the latest version of recovery. There you go. And it'll flash it, and it's done. And then we can go back to our Transformer Prime, and you can reboot by holding down the power button. But I'll show you how to get into the new recovery. So it's the same thing: volume down and the power button. And as soon as you see those couple lines at the top, you're gonna hit let go of both buttons and hit volume up. You gotta do it within 5 seconds. So otherwise it'll boot. There you go, and hit volume up. And you should be on the latest 5.8.2.0, and if you end up in a boot loop, you might be using an older version. That might be why. So I've got the new version. You're all good to go. You should be able to flash the new ROMs. Anyway, if you have a Transformer Prime, don't forget to subscribe to our email list at TransformerPrimeRoot.com, where I update you on stuff like this, ROM reviews and more. And don't share your email with anyone else. It's just for you and me. And also, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit that like button, favorite button, and also subscribe to my channel if you have. Thanks, and share this with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. And I'm going to get really high on Android, folks. Actually, I'm pretty high on it. Just get really high. Alright, see y'all later.